2026 Audi S5 Expert Review. Pros: more power, bigger screens than before, updated styling. Cons: no more two-door models. Where's the wagon? Debut not expected until 2025. A new era of S5 performance begins this year, one that includes a sedan with a rear hatch. Although essentially a four-door hatchback, Audi no longer uses the sportback moniker, saying its longer tailgate deck gives the new S5 a silhouette that more closely resembles a sedan. Luxury small cars rivals include the BMW M440i Gran Coupe, Mercedes-AMG C43, and Polestar 2. What's new? Underpinned by new premium platform combustion architecture, sedan styling with hatchback practicality, revised exterior and interior design language, updated suspension and steering, cabin digital real estate upgrades. What we think? We lauded the last S5 for its shameless sportiness, a sportback model that unapologetically trades efficiency for emotion-inducing performance. It's as quick as its most popular peers and boasts sharp reflexes. But it was also sluggish off the line, and we described its steering as restrained. That could change this year with the updated car. We also hope for more space and better interior packaging than the Sportback. A friendlier price would be welcomed as well, but we can appreciate why this top model commands a premium. Performance. As the top 2026 A5 model, the S5 again uses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 and dual-clutch automatic transmission. It's standard with AWD, as well. Engine output is rated at 362 HP, an increase of 13 HP compared to the last S5 SV6. Audi hasn't cited full specs yet but has said the transmission is designed for more torque. Hopefully that means more than the 369 lb-ft made by the last S5. Launches to 60 miles per hour might take as little as 4.1 seconds. That closes in on the 2024 BMW M440i AWD. This car makes 382 HP and 369 lb-ft from its same-sized turbo inline-6, and it's capable of a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in 4.0 seconds. Safety features. Standard driver assist features should include rear parking sensors, lane departure warning, and a driver attention monitor. Also available will be an updated adaptive cruise control system and self-parking assist. Active front assist combines front emergency brake assist, evasion assist, turn assist, and front cross-traffic assist. Emergency assist can effectively drive the vehicle to safety if it senses the driver is unresponsive. Cargo capacity. The 2026 S5 is offered as a sedan with a hatch, meaning it comes with more space than a conventional trunk. Standard capacity is expected at 15.7 cubic feet, and that grows to an impressive 45.9 cubes with the rear seat folded. That's more standard capacity than the trunk from the 2025 S4 sedan but less than the 2024 BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe. Standard cargo capacity. 2026 Audi S5, 15.7 cubic feet. 2025 Audi S4, 12.0 cubic feet. 2024 BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe, 16.6 cubic feet. Technology. In addition to getting the strongest powertrain in the A5 lineup, the S5 also scores adaptive dampers and is tuned for sharper steering responses. Although Audi hasn't detailed features specific to the US market, know that Audi offers Matrix LED adaptive headlights, LED tail lights, a curved dash display with an 11.9-inch gauge cluster screen and 14.5-inch center touchscreen, configurable head-up display, and a 10.9-inch front passenger screen. Heated seats and steering wheel, wireless phone charger, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, over-the-air updates, a voice assistant, and premium audio from Bang & Olufsen will also be offered on the 2026 S5. Other sporty luxury compact cars. BMW M440i Gran Coupe, Mercedes-AMG C43, Polestar 2.